Good afternoon. This is the fire weather planning briefing for August 11th, 2020. Start off with our matrix. We do have a dry cold front coming through Wednesday and Thursday, and we do have some weather highlights for that. Mostly dry and windy conditions with some unstable conditions in southwest Montana on Wednesday. Conditions are improving, though it does remain a little bit windy through the week. Behind that cold front in a cooler air mass. Saturday overall looks like a pretty nice day, and then we have a ridge start to build in, so we start to get some hot and dry conditions really across the whole region at the end of the week. Current satellite shows not very much over Montana and Idaho, as we're currently under a ridge, and it's basically been hot and dry. But we do have this trough that is coming through and causing that ridge to break down. This is the heights at about 20,000 feet, or excuse me, the pressure at about 20,000 feet up, and the color here is the wind. So you can see we do have some stronger winds forecast to be over the region on Wednesday evening. So that's what's going to be driving some of our hot, dry, and windier conditions. So looking at Wednesday, we can see on relative humidity, the minimum relative humidity on the left, we've got some teens down in southwest Montana, generally low 20s across much of the area. It might drop down into the teens for an hour or two in some of these areas that are showing near 20%. But then northwest Montana, we have some isolated teens, but generally around 20% relative humidity for the minimum. And then of course you can see we do have some gusty winds with that breakdown of the ridge and dry cold front. However, the strongest winds are again going to be focused on southwest Montana, and these are the predominant winds, maximum winds expected on Wednesday. And so with that, we do have a red flag warning out for Wednesday in southwest Montana. I haven't shown that here graphically. You should probably go to our website to always get the latest and most up-to-date in hazards. Hazards being the red flag warning. Carrying through some of this to Thursday, we can see we do have a bit more of a relative humidity recovery into the low 20s in southwest Montana on Thursday, and generally all the way around we see a little bit of a recovery in the relative humidity for Thursday. And the winds also back off. We do have low to mid-teens in the forecast for much of western Montana, southwestern Montana on Thursday. However, there is quite a bit of uncertainty in this forecast. The front might be slowing down a little bit, and if that's the case, we could see some stronger winds in the southwest, and we may end up issuing or extending that red flag warning in southwest Montana into Thursday. We have not yet decided on what we're going to do with that at the time of this video, so again, that's why I encourage you to go to our website to always get the latest information for red flag warnings and general hazards. Going on through the weekend, it shouldn't be that bad, and as we start to head into early next week, we have a ridge of high pressure building in. This is a very significant ridge, a very strong ridge, and we have very good model agreement actually that this is going to happen Sunday night and into Monday. So this is a Monday morning forecast with that ridge just dominating the weather all the way up through most of western Canada as well. The big question with this is going to be when and how does that ridge break down. So about half of the tools we have available to us suggest that it will break down Monday night and into Tuesday, and the other half show it persisting for at least another couple of days. So that's where the big uncertainty comes from in our more extended range forecasts. So with our 6 to 10 day, you can really see the influence of that ridge showing up with drier than average precipitation and warmer than average temperatures. So if you have any questions or you'd like a more detailed forecast, please feel free to call us at 406-329-4840. And we're here 24 hours a day to answer your questions. Thank you.